Hey everybody, welcome to the Forge here at No Harm in Farming. This is going to be the first of many instructional videos or demonstration videos on the items that we make here at No Harm in Farming. Today we're going to make the Holdfast that I make and sell on a regular basis on our Etsy site that I'll link below. The Holdfast, if you're not familiar, is an old-time woodworking tool that's shaped roughly like a number 7, and it was used before woodworkers had bench vices or wood clamps or anything else that you can buy at a hardware store today. You used holes in a bench, put them in there, tapped them in, it held your workpiece down nice and tight. There's been a huge resurgence of people going back to the old ways of doing things, especially woodworking. So that gives guys like myself, an opportunity to make these old-fashioned tools. So that's what we're going to do, and we're going to do that today. We're going to make a set of 2 Holdfasts, and I normally sell them in a set of 2. This is a Holdfast. This is what it's going to look like. Like I said, roughly like a number 7. I make them out of 5/8 round bar, mild steel. I do mine with a welded corner, 2 pieces, an 8-inch piece and a 14-inch piece. I weld the corners so that they've got a nice even turn to them. Some people make them and they'll forge the curve in, and that's fine, and they're good and strong. Some people argue that a welded corner is not going to be as strong, but out of several hundred sets of these I've sold, I've only had 2 break out of the entire set, out of the entire run of them. If you get a good clean weld, and I'll show you later on, you get a good clean weld to it, it's almost as strong or as strong as the parent material itself, and if it's properly heat treated after. So we're going to get into making those, get these done, show you what it's all about. I'm going to take this 5/8 round bar, flatten the tip, put the foot on it. In. Pull the foot back out. Same thing with the second one. Now I'm going to clean these pieces up, get a good weld, so you got to have the pieces all nice and clean. Pieces nice and clean, ready for a good weld. Alright, now we're going to take our 2 pieces and weld them together, start making that L shape. Got them tacked, now I'm going to finish welding them up. Alright, take a good weld. Let those air cool a little bit, and we'll work on the next step. going to square up the front. It's off center. Bring it around where we want. Give a little bit of calibrated eye. Now it's squared off. Alright, there's a completed set of Holdfast, all done, heat treated, ready to go. If you're interested in buying a set of them, I'm going to try to put a link below to the particular listing on our Etsy shop, No Harm in Farming. And you can also have a link to the shop in general so you can see some of the wonderful tie-dye that Mariah makes, the rest of the metal items I make, the knives that I make, things like that. So make sure you like and subscribe below for more videos coming down the road. Thanks.